If you need to create a sloped wall in your design in HomeByMe, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it. So let's climb straight in. So if you want to create your sloped wall, you're going to go ahead and make sure you're in the 2D view mode, and you are going to select the wall you'd like to slope. Once you've selected it, you'll see a few options. We're going to click on edit, and on the right hand side you will see sloped wall. You want to toggle that on. Now there are two dimensions you can play with here. It's the height and the depth. The height is the measurement from the base of the wall going straight up. So you'll see over here this 80 centimeters. If we go at the bottom here and look into the 3D view and just move this about, the height over here will be from this point up to this point over here. So that is 80 centimeters. Let's go back into 2D. Let's open up that editor again, and the depth of the wall will be from the angle. So let's just go back into 3D mode. You'll see over here that height or depth will be from this point in to this point. So from there, if this was a straight line brought down, that would be that measurement. Now, if you'd like to slope this wall and make it into a roof, you'd have to make that measurement half of your total. So in this case, it's 240 centimeters. So if you're going into that wall and you're saying edit, this would be 120. And of course, you would have to adjust your height. Let's say, for example, 5, and go into 3D view. And that's what it would look like. Of course, if you'd like to do the same with the other wall, you'll be able to create a pitch